Assalamualaikum Anna. So this is the function that we'll be using to get our customer information. So in the customer information function, we've got the variable to take in the input from the user. We'll be prompting this to the user, asking for the customer name, and then we'll store it in the name value. Same goes with the IC, telephone number, and so on and so on. So down here, moving on, we've got the function of calculate total price that will take the argument of activity, number of adults, number of children, and nationality. Inside this function, we've got a dictionary that holds multiple keys such as the citizen and the non-citizen. Inside these two keys, we also have another three keys: the sky cap, the sky rex, and the sky dome. And also inside these three keys, we've got another two keys: the adult keys and the child keys, that of which that holds different values depending on the keys accessed. The same goes for the non-citizen. Instead, the value are different. So there's nothing more to explain. So moving on. So here, this price adult variable will be storing the or accessing the price dictionary. We want to specify what we want to access. So here we'll be taking in the nationality. This dot lower is just this dot lower is just to lowercase the string value of it. So nothing so important there. And here is the activity. The activity keys. This one, the sky cap, the sky rex, and the sky dome. Yeah. So here's the adult, since we specifying which since we are referencing it to the price adult to the price, so we're taking in the adult value, and here we store the adult value. Yeah, same goes for the child, but we do it for the child instead. So down here is where we'll be calculating the total price, and in this variable total price we'll be performing the calculation, and the price adult taking from up here, multiplying by the number of adult that will take in from down there, of which I'm not going to explain because my teammates or my group mates that will be explaining it later down the line. So moving on, we by adding to the child price if they are, so multiply it with number of children, and we'll be returning the total price. See here, as it say here, we'll be using it to store the purchase activities for receipt display, and the grand total is just to initialize the grand total to accumulate total price. So moving on, with open package.txt sr, this is just to read. So yeah, just that. Using the with open, we just have to open it once so we don't have to manually close it down here, right? Or write the f.close. Now we don't have to, because we use the with open, it automatically close. Yeah. And we're just printing out the context in the package.txt, so which we can see here. This is what we'll be printing out to the user. So that's all from me.
Okay. Okay, now I will continuing about this. Okay, now I will continuing this code part. Okay, with open package tab package.txt. This means we're gonna open file name package.txt and then the ff. So like f the like the variable where we can use to assign. Okay, like this print f dot so this uh this mean f we will open the package.txt and then we will show the output so like the data in the package.txt while true activity equal input select activity sky cap. When the package when we open this is true, this code part is true, then you will show the input show user need to input select the activity like skycat, skyret and skydrop. Okay, after that try num adult equal integer. Try and accept. This is where we use the exception handling. So like try num underscore adult equal integer input quantity adult. If we put uh like a character like alphabet or symbol, it will go to the accept value error and it will show the invalid input. Okay, this is our total price calculation, and then after that uh, print display and activity details to activity underscore list for receipt display. This is to what to add the total of this uh, into the activity list. And this is the total, the cumulative total price into grand total. So like uh, sum up of all the total. Okay, after that choice input. We want to buy more activity. Choice is like ask if the customer want to buy more activities. And this the customer receipt. And this is display of grand total price. And this is where we write customer information and receipt detail into a file, into a customer information.txt this file. After that, we're gonna try run the function and then accept handling. Print f and x. If something error occurred, it will show the print part here. Okay, that's for me.
So after that, write customer information and receipt details to a file. We are using with open the file name customer information.txt and we are using w as write. So we write customer information, name, IC number, telephone number, and nationality. We will call the variables to display the user input in customer information.txt file. Next is activity info. It will display activities, quantity of adult, quantity of child, as same as the user input. After that, total price for each activity and grand total price for all the activity. So lastly, we execute the customer info function. If got any error, it will show an error accurate. So now we will show you the demo of this system. Firstly, customer has to enter their name, IC number, telephone number, nationality, after that it will display activity package price list. User have to select the activity, for example sky cap. It will ask user to enter the quantity of adult, quantity of child, and it will display total price. And it will ask the user, do you want to buy more activity? When user enter Y, it will ask the user to select the activity again. For example, Sky Rex. User have to enter the quantity of adult again and the quantity of child. And it will display total price and ask user, do you want to buy more activity? When user answer no, it will display the customer information and the activity information, and lastly grand total price. After that, all the information will store in customer information.txt file. That's all from us. Thank you.